they missed estimates due to weaker than expected performance when it comes to North America, which was down 11% due to pricing erosion led by cancer drug Revlimid. And the India business, if you see, was up 11% due to new launches, pricing, and margin decline that you're seeing is due to higher generic price erosion and lower operating leverage. They're going to ramp up biosimilar business, which should reflect from FY28. Also, Dr. Reddy's is going to launch their generic semaglutide, that is Wegovy version in 87 countries, and the target markets include Canada, India, Brazil, and Turkey. And US and Europe launches are expected between 2029 to 2033. Also, if I were to talk about the market opportunity for this global obesity drug market to reach $150 billion sales by 2030, and they anticipate hundreds of millions of dollars when it comes to sales from this generic drug. And the semaglutide patent, if you see, is set to expire by March 2026. Lastly, let's see what brokerages are saying on Dr. Reddy's Q1 earnings. Starting with Macquarie, they maintain neutral with target price of 1,190, and they say that Q1 FY26 is the modest on all-round miss, and North America revenue decline due to pricing erosion. While BofA has maintained they've hiked their target price as well. According to them, the inline margin, the numbers were in line despite sharp Revlimid erosion and multiple levers to support 25% margin considering the GLP-1 products. Lastly, MS, let's see what Morgan Stanley on Dr. Reddy has to say. They've maintained equal weight with target price of rupees 1,298, and the margin decline according to them is due to higher generic price erosion, and they expect SEMA approval between October and November 2025. So overall, yes, weak set of numbers, miss on all fronts. Mr. Ramana, welcome to the show. Pleasure to have you. Just, I'll start with the US business first. So we saw a decline of almost 11% in US revenues on the back of pricing erosion when it comes to, Revlimid. What is the outlook for US for the whole year, that is FY26?
Sure. So what you saw is something that we had expected, which is pricing pressure around the generic Revlimid and also some of our base products. However, as we go along, we do expect to see that we would be in the US flat, maybe slight amount of growth. But overall, the company also has been able to deliver on a double-digit growth. This is thanks to the rest of the businesses, whether it is India, emerging markets, Europe, PSCI, all growing well. And as we go along, these businesses are expected to contribute to the rest of the year as well.
Got that point, sir. Also, you've launched 5 new products in US. Just wanted to know, when can you see the ramp up of those 5 products?
So we launch products normally about 15 to 20 products in the US. Normally they do have a ramp up. The first products that we launch in the quarter ramp up over the next few quarters, and then you have some of them that we launched in the last year that will start to show the growth in the current year. So this is something that is normal in the US, and we expect that ramp up to also contribute to improving the growth in the US.
Okay, so that was the pain point for Dr. Reddy's.